It's like an old friend. Like what I'm doing right now. It's like I remember doing all these things. This is in the back of my head. It's crazy how I feel about what's happening right now. It's so familiar. See, do we got it? Look at that. Oh, we got one more. Well, there you go. One fender completely removed with brace. When I say we're going to restore this, we're going to do it the right way. We're going to fix all of this. So much fun. Okay, it's time for side 2 to come off. Let's see, do we have it? Oh, yep. She's gone. Just got to disconnect one right there, and we're good to go. Both fenders off. We're going to clean up all that right there. Yes, sir, with some good sandpaper. So now we're going to remold this polyurethane spoiler. We're applying high heat to it. And as we do that and we concentrate, we're going to concentrate on shrinking it again. And I bet already, look how that's becoming softer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's already coming back into fold right now. Right in front of your eyes. Just keep heating this up. We're going to remold this back. We're actually going to save this entire piece. Look at that. See how it's starting to take shape now? It's soft, it's moldable. You just got to make sure you keep it molding while it's cooling off. It's not time to cooling yet. Oh yeah. Look at this already. It's almost there. I just got to fix a little bit of the bolt. I got rid of the braces and everything. Heat gun, which you're learning, and I'm going to straighten that out just a little bit more. And this piece is going to be back to brand new, especially once it cools. Yes, sir. I'm getting all this so therapeutic. Get all this cleaned up, galvanized. This is just surface rust. This isn't even real. She's gonna shine up like a brand new penny. Brand new penny. Okay, Google, pause music. It put a lot of Bondo. This was not me. This was actually the previous person when they were, I guess, trying to do a restore project. You can see because there's like multiple layers to this paint. where it was an initial color and it was resprayed over, but they did a really cheap and fast job. And instead of them working down the rust to the bare metal, what they did is they just bonded over it. And so what we're doing right now is we're getting down to the bare metal, smoothing it over, and if we do find holes, like we have a little hole right here, we're going to put a fiberglass tiger paw inside of there once we kill the cancer completely, and then we should be good to go. Making progress. Making progress. We gotta bring that down a little bit more and finish that out. But we're knocking all this out here, and we're looking better. And we're using a little PV blaster up here. Get this nice and clean. Progress.